Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aditya Anjan Jha and my USN is 1VE22CS006. And the topic for today's presentation is a comparison of petrol and hybrid vehicles. We will first explore the advantages and disadvantages of both petrol and hybrid vehicle, then compare their cost and environmental impact, and then I'll provide my opinion on which one is the best according to me. And so you can just decide after that which one is better. So the contents is as follows. What is a petrol vehicle? Advantages of petrol vehicle, limitations of petrol vehicle. What is a hybrid vehicle? Advantages of hybrid vehicle, limitations of hybrid vehicles, cost comparison, environmental impact, and then conclusion. What is a petrol vehicle? A petrol vehicle is a type of internal combustion engine vehicle that runs on gasoline. The engine works by compressing a mixture of air and fuel in the cylinders, which create a small explosion that powers the vehicle. Petrol vehicles are in the market from quite some time. They are in demand because of their availability, affordability, and range. Examples of some petrol vehicles are Mahindra Thar, Maruti Suzuki Baleno, and Tata Tiago. Advantages of petrol vehicles: high power and performance. Petrol engines are known for their high power output. They provide quick acceleration and better performance. Availability and refueling infrastructure. Petrol is widely available at fuel stations globally, making it convenient for petrol engine vehicle owners to refuel their vehicles. Lower initial cost. Petrol engine vehicles generally have a lower initial cost compared to hybrid vehicles. Lower maintenance and service cost. Petrol engines are typically simpler in design and have fewer complex components compared to diesel engines or hybrid engines. This simplicity often leads to owner maintenance and service cost over the lifetime of the vehicle. Limitations of petrol vehicles: lower fuel efficiency. Petrol engines tend to have lower fuel efficiency compared to hybrid vehicles. This means that petrol vehicles may require more frequent refueling and have higher fuel consumption, resulting in increased fuel costs. Environmental impact. Petrol vehicles contribute to air pollution and green gas emissions due to the combustion of petrol fuel. They release CO2 and nitrogen oxides, which are harmful for the environment and contribute to climate change. Dependence on fossil fuels. Petrol vehicles rely on fossil fuels, which are finite resources and contribute to global energy sustainability challenges. The extraction, refining, and consumption of petrol contribute to various environmental concerns, including hybrid vehicle. A hybrid vehicle is a car that combines an internal combustion engine with an electric motor and battery. The two power sources work together to provide propulsion, with the electric motor assisting the gasoline engine during acceleration and providing power at low speeds. When the car is braking, the electric motor acts as a generator, recharging the battery. One advantage of a hybrid vehicle is improved fuel efficiency, which can result in lower emissions and cost saving over time. Examples of hybrid vehicles are Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara, Innova Hi-Cross, and Honda City. Advantages of hybrid vehicles: fuel efficiency and reduced emission. Hybrid vehicles combine the use of internal combustion engine with an electric motor and battery system. This hybrid powertrain allows for fuel efficiency and reduced emissions compared to conventional petrol or diesel vehicles. Environmental benefits: their lower emissions help improve air quality by reducing the release of harmful pollutants such as CO2, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matters. Hybrid vehicles also have the potential to play a role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Energy efficiency and regenerative braking. Hybrid vehicles employ regenerative braking technology, which converts the kinetic energy generated during braking or deacceleration into electrical energy. Government incentives. In many countries, government provide incentives and tax benefits to promote the adoption of hybrid vehicles. Limitations of hybrid vehicles: higher initial cost. Hybrid vehicles typically have a higher upfront cost compared to conventional petrol or diesel vehicles. The inclusion of additional components such as the electric motor, battery system, and advanced technology increases the manufacturing and production costs. Battery degradation and replacement. The battery used in hybrid vehicles may experience degradation over time, resulting in reduced efficiency and capacity. There may be a need for eventual replacement, which can be costly. Weight and space considerations. Hybrid vehicles tend to be heavier than conventional vehicles due to the additional components such as the electric motor and battery pack. Cost comparison between the hybrid vehicle and petrol vehicle. When comparing the cost of owning and operating a petrol vehicle versus a hybrid vehicle, there are several factors to consider. Upfront costs for purchasing a hybrid vehicle tend to be higher than petrol vehicle, but this is often offset by lower maintenance cost and fuel expenses over time. Hybrid vehicles typically have better gas mileage and require less frequent oil changes and other maintenance, which can add up to significant savings in the long run. In addition to these cost considerations, it's important to factor in any tax incentives or rebates that may be available for purchasing a hybrid vehicle. Depending on where you live and your specific situation, you may be eligible for significant savings that could make a hybrid vehicle more affordable than a petrol vehicle in long run. Environmental impact. Petrol vehicles are known to emit harmful pollutants into the environment. These emissions contribute to air pollution, which can have serious health consequences for humans and animals alike. In addition, petrol vehicles rely on fossil fuels, which are a finite resource that contribute to climate change. Hybrid vehicles, on the other hand, emit fewer pollutants than petrol vehicles and have a lower carbon footprint. This is because they can use both electric motor and petrol engine, which allows them to run more efficiently and produce fewer emissions. While hybrid vehicles still rely on fossil fuels, their use of electricity means that they are able to reduce their overall dependence on these resources. Conclusion. In conclusion, whether to purchase a petrol or hybrid vehicle, it's important to weigh the advantages and limitations of both options. Ultimately, the choice between a petrol and hybrid vehicle depends on individual preferences, driving habits, and budget. Consumers who prioritize affordability and availability may prefer a petrol vehicle, while those who prioritize environmental impact and long-term cost savings may prefer a hybrid vehicle. It's important for consumers to carefully consider their opinions and make an informed decision that aligns with their values and needs. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.